Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you to how to post 60 seconds story on Instagram. If you go through your Instagram application and then hit on the plus button from the button, then you will be able to post a reel. Now if you select more than 60 seconds video as I'm doing, then you can share it from here. But if it is not allowing in your case, then what you can do is go through your profile icon and then hit on the three lines on the top and then go through the settings and privacy. Now scroll down a little bit, there you will see an option of help. Hit on that and go through the report a problem and then hit on report without checking. And now here briefly describe that you want to post 60-second story on your Instagram. So in this way you can easily post 60 seconds reels or story on your Instagram. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.